Archdiocesan Youth Convention Barpuar, pyniaid the Shillong Archdiocese Catholic Youth Movement Sacym, kabala pynlong Mawlai Parish, kala sdang haka kendai tarik Kyllalyngkot Arhajar Arpusan. Ki delegate ki bapoi syakani ka Archdiocesan Youth Convention, ki long kumba kendai sepatam, na ki parish bapher jong Shillong Archdiocese. Lasdang yakni ke lympung ki samla da kamas Bakhuid bala pynmynta da Reverend Padar Richard Majaw, Vicar General, ryngkat ke jingdon Reverend Padar Jameris Shylla, Diocesan Youth Director, Reverend Padar Edward Kharsyntiew, Assistant DYD, Reverend Padar John Barman, Regional Youth Director, Reverend Padar Teibor ZYD Zone 1, Reverend Padar Jose Vicar, Assistant Parish Priest, Mawlai Parish, Reverend Padar Teles Forest Nonglang, Parish Priest, Mawlai Parish, Sister Wansuk Lyngdo, MSMHC, Regional Youth Lady Animator, Mr. Jonah Chitung, Regional Youth President, ICYM Northeast, Barnabas, Vice President, Catholic Association, Shillong. Hadirin kemas Bakhuid Xxii Archdiocesan Youth Convention, da Reverend Padar Richard Majaw. Lapadiang sengubhaya baro da samla Christopher Kurba, President Seng Samla Mawlai Parish, board siki program na ki zone bapher. Reverend Padar Richard Majaw ula banjur halor kapang. Ka Eucharist bat ki samla, hakaba ula kentui ki samla bakin long ki bajan syaka Eucharist, ban ki sakramen bat kamtam ban pynmynta haka sakramen jing pelapom. Lapan kut yakani kasngi daki kentien kublai na usamla firstly Joy Vicar, General Secretary Seng Samla Mawlai Parish.